So I'm going to show you guys how to make some wood duck schnitzels. We shot this duck on the weekend, and we have breasted it first. Well, we've got the meat that we got from the breast, and so we're just going to tenderize it, and then we're going to go back to the kitchen and season it. Fine. So you want it about 10 millimeters thick. So we'll go to the other piece. So there you go. That's we've done all of it, and I'll go back to the kitchen with them and show you what to do next. So we've got the wood duck breast, and we are back in the kitchen, and we're going to just put some all-purpose seasoning, all-purpose seasoning on it, just a little bit. You can do both sides when you want to put it on, but I'm just going to put it on one side. So, first we just put a little bit of that on. Now you're going to dip it into some whisked egg. And then we're going to do both sides of it. And then we've got some panko breadcrumbs. I'm going to put it into there. You're going to push down really hard on it to get all those breadcrumbs on there. And just like that, and then you put them in here. And I'm just going to keep on doing that with all these other ones. So we've done all that with all of them. Now we're just going to go over to the oven and cook them. Just going to put up pieces in like that. So we let them cook on both sides for about 5 minutes. Well, 5 minutes on each side. And they look just about ready. As you can see, they're pretty brown. Well, when they go brown, that's good. So I'm going to bring them over here, I'm going to eat them. I'm just going to cut it into little pieces. This is my first time having duck. I've never had duck before, so I'm hoping it tastes good. It's really good. It tastes like chicken. Everything tastes like chicken. So that was the video. Hope you enjoyed. Please drop a thumbs up and subscribe. And see you guys next time. Bye bye.